All right, so here's a look at this A-frame display board that we've got. Now it has the characteristics of a chalkboard, but the great thing about this is it's gonna have these markers that come with it, and this is gonna allow you to have a little bit more color, and honestly it just looks more premium than like a chalkboard. So here's the colors that it's gonna come with. If I pop this open, you're gonna see there's a bunch of colors here. We've got blue, green, white, orange, pink, red, yellow, and purple. So plenty of colors here to play with. And like I said, you could see it looks more like a marker than it does a chalk. So you got that chalkboard aesthetic that looks very natural. You got the wood grain on the outside, which is like a walnut. And then you've got your black chalkboard in the middle. Then you've got the paint style on here, which you could just be really creative with and do a lot more with. And this is gonna be two-sided. So you can see we've got one side set up here and another one set up here, and this is great for sidewalk displays. So if you've got a restaurant, a cafe, any type of business where you're gonna have a display outside, this would be perfect for that. Now it's also gonna come with 2 microfiber towels as well. You're gonna wanna make sure that you get one of the microfiber towels a little bit wet if you're gonna be cleaning something off. So let's say we wanted to clean this bottom part off right here. This towel is already damp, and if we kind of rub it off like that, you can see it does spread a little bit, but the more wet you get this, the easier it is. And then you're gonna take your dry one and kind of wipe it off. Now, obviously it doesn't look as good right now because I didn't do the whole thing. So I'm getting part of it right there, but you would go ahead and do that over the whole board and you're able to really clean it off nicely. So I like the fact that they made the material of this and the type of paint on these markers to be the way they are, because once you do have like that wet rag, it's really easy to just go through this whole thing, clean it off, and you're not going to get a bunch of dust or specks or anything like that added onto the board, just making it look really clean overall. Now, as for a size reference, you can see here it's up to about my hip, which it's a really big display board. I don't think you really need anything larger than this, something that's going to be sitting on a sidewalk. It's really easy for people to see. It does have that A-frame style to it, so it is a little bit tilted up to the viewer, and you really are able to just see everything on here nice and easily. It's also going to have this bag, so you can take all your markers and your microfibers, throw it into this bag, and either keep this inside of your store or restaurant, or you could even just throw it in the back here. There's going to be a small little shelf, and this is great because a lot of other ones I've seen, they've only got a skinny little bar that's in the middle, but this is good because if you are somewhere that's very windy, you're able to just put like a weight or something weighted on the middle right there, and that's going to help hold and push it down. Then if you want to move this, you can easily just slide this up, and look right here, there is this metal piece that's going to hold this into place so it's not going to fall over. Then we can close it up just like this and bring it with us wherever we want to go. So if you're looking for a really good A-frame display board, something that's going to be great for in front of a restaurant or cafe, then I would definitely recommend picking this one up.